This is a choose your own adventure with continual skills and challenges and opportunities and learning throughout the way. Pretty much every product you enjoy, so much of our economy is dreamed up and made by manufacturing teams. And that's what creators in our industry do each and every day. But we can't do it without future creators like you.
Manufacturing gives you the opportunity to come, get everything together. If you want to have higher paid jobs, think about the skills that's going to get you there instead of thinking about how to get the title.
I really liked the escape room. I think the best part about it was how we got to work together, especially in a few of the rooms where we could split off into smaller teams to work together and all accomplish a main goal. It's pretty fun. There are a lot of opportunities in manufacturing. It was really cool and I enjoyed the experience a lot.
If that sounds like a nice way to spend your career, making money, creating something that people want, and having some fun, I can tell you that we'll always have a place for you on our team. Making life better for everyone. You can leave your mark on the world and change your life and the lives of others.